What circuit boards do we do? Number 40. AD1000 Microwave PCB. Rogers AD1000 high dielectric constant substrates are woven glass reinforced PDFE components, providing designers with the ability to miniaturize circuits by optimizing space utilization, improve signals performance, and enabling the integration of multiple functions into a compact design. AD1000 dielectric constant at 10 GHz is measured to be 10.2, and the dissipation factor is found to be 0.0023 using the IPCTN 650 2.5.5.5 test measure. Decomposition temperature is 500 degrees Celsius, and T260, T288, and T300 values are exceeded 60 minutes based on the IPCTN 650 2.4.24.1 test measure. The coefficient of thermal expansion between 50 to 150 degrees Celsius is 8 parts per million per degree C and 10 parts per million per degree C around the X and Y axis respectively. The CT around the Z axis is 20 parts per million per degree C, according to the IPCTN 650 2.4.24 test measure. AD1000 exhibits a low water absorption rate of 0.03%, a density of 3.2 gram per cubic centimeter at ambient temperature, and the thermal conductivity of 0.81 watts per meter per Kelvin as measured by the ASTME 1461 test measure. Furthermore, it meets the UL194 with 0 grams in 3 high fire resistance. In natural outgassing testing, AD1000 exhibits a total mass loss of only 0.01%. The AD1000 laminate was designed with a specific focus on applications requiring miniaturized circuitry in composite devices such as GPS receivers. It is also well suited for patch antennas that demand smaller sizes, satellite communication systems, power amplifiers, low-noise amplifiers, radar modules, and manifolds, and ground-based radar systems, etc. Thank you. See you next time.